What's new? Karina Wittgenstein expressed her deep disappointment after the High Court of England and Wales rejected her civil lawsuit for harassment against the former Spanish king Juan Carlos I. In a statement sent to the F agency, she lamented that victims of harassment often face difficulties in obtaining justice within the legal system and asserted that the former Spanish head of state had done everything in his power to harm her. Karina also anticipates that she is considering all available options to determine her next steps, which could initially involve appealing the decision issued today by Judge Rowena Collins-Rice. I am very disappointed with the outcome of this case in the High Court of England. It is disheartening to observe that victims of harassment often have to struggle to obtain justice within our legal system, she states in her statement. Harassment leaves a significant and long-lasting impact on individuals, and it is essential that our legal systems provide the necessary resources to those who have experienced this ordeal, she continues. The intimidation and harassment directed towards me and my children persist, with the aim of completely destroying me. Juan Carlos has used every means at his disposal to weaken me, and his influence is immensely powerful, declares the former partner of the former monarch. The judge of the High Court rejected the possibility of bringing the lawsuit filed by Wittgenstein to trial on Friday, who was seeking compensation of £126 million, equivalent to around €146 million, for damages. The reason for this rejection was the consideration that the legal system in England lacks the necessary jurisdiction to conduct this process. Following a preliminary process that took place in July, the magistrate ruled today that the lawsuit should have been filed in the country where the defendant is legally domiciled. Furthermore, she emphasized that in this case, an exception to this premise cannot be made, as the plaintiff failed to demonstrate that the key events related to the case occurred in England. In the legal process in the United Kingdom, Karina alleged that Juan Carlos de Borbón had harassed her personally or through intermediaries during the period from 2012 to 2020. However, the British Court of Appeals had previously established that the former monarch would have immunity regarding the allegations of harassment that supposedly occurred before his abdication on June 18, 2014. Please comment on your thoughts about the news, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. If you find it necessary, you can share this video on your social networks.